need to get a win right now any way we can. And I think against San Jose it would be fantastic. And they're one of the best teams in the league, and to get a win in this game would be great for us.
We haven't had a win in over a few months now, and I think we've been putting in the hard work and practice, but I think it's time that we get the result in the game, and hopefully we can get that win and get the season going in the right direction.
I think we just need to stop the service into the strikers. I mean, Wondolowski is one of the best finishers in the league, and if he doesn't get any service, he's not going to score. So I think if we can just stop the service and stay tight on the strikers, then we'll be fine.
Hay que saberlos marcar. Sabemos que tienen jugadores que en todos los torneos meten goles. Tienen jugadores rápidos como Marvin. Entonces pienso que va a ser muy importante para los defensas de nuestro equipo tenerlos bien referenciados y no perderlos de vista porque nos pueden correr en cualquier momento. Eso lo vamos a practicar mañana. El día de hoy fue más para recuperarnos del partido de ayer, pero ya mañana vamos a practicar sobre eso. Sabemos que han metido muchos goles con jugadas ensayadas, entonces tenemos que prevenirnos de eso y estar atentos a cualquier jugada de balón parado.
I think every opportunity we get, we need to at least put it on frame, test the goalkeeper early, because I know Bush was out last game. I'm not sure about his health right now, but I think it's important that we test the new goalkeeper early, and especially on set pieces. I think we have great guys in the air, big bodies, so hopefully we can get in there and get a goal early and get the crowd behind us.